Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about investing in a gas station in Australia, in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the essential steps so you know exactly what to check before making the big purchase. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to australia.businessesforsale.com. And then, on the search node, you're going to search for petrol stations for sale in Australia. Now, let's take this step by step. Step number one would be to understand the types of gas station. There are two types of stations that you can buy. Freehold, in which you own the land and the business, and leasehold, you only own the business and rent the site. Number two, choose the location. Location is everything. Look for high traffic areas or suburban zones with few competitors. Make sure that the site has easy access and visibility. Number three, review financials. Ask the seller for at least 2 to 3 years of financial statements. Number four, check franchise and brand agreements. Many stations operate under brands like BP, Shell, or Caltex. Review the fuel supply contract. Step number five, inspect equipment and compliance. Have the fuel pumps, underground tanks, POS systems, and safety equipment inspected. Gas stations must meet strict Australian regulations for fire safety and environmental protection. Step 6. Secure financing. Banks in Australia often require a strong business plan, consistent profit history, and a decent deposit. Step 7. Conduct legal and environmental due diligence. Get a solicitor to check contracts, leases, environmental reports, and liabilities. And lastly, finalize the purchase. Once everything checks out, negotiate the final price, sign the agreement, and complete settlement. After takeover, update business registrations and licenses, then begin operating. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!